Okay, RCers, we have a box came in the mail today, all the way from California. Let's check it out. Okay, so today we have the Desert Eagle, or Eagle Desert. I guess it's Desert Eagle if it's green, or Eagle Desert if it's red. Okay, full scale, high performance, ready to win, RTW. Not ready to run, ready to win. Which one do I have? I don't know. So let's open the box and see. Remote control. Okay, first thing on the top we have the remote. One of those switchable jobs. Left or right-handed. That's pretty cool. Takes 4 AA batteries. That's cool. We got a 50-50, 70-30 neutral switch, which I have no idea what that is. Steering trim, steering dual rate, and an on-off switch. 2.4 gigahertz. Pretty much stand. Got a little bitty button up here. Don't know what that's for. We'll have to check out the instructions. Okay, your typical backup battery charger, trickle charge through the balance port. We got a box full of those down here. And here's the car. And instructions. Two pinion gears, a couple of Allen wrenches, and a wheel tool. Okay, as you can see, it's kind of squat down. Tires feel pretty cool. Got a spare tire for the back, just like the rest of them. Plastic wheels with what look like actual bead locks. Don't know. Let's see if we can take them apart or not. And got some plastic all over the plastic cover. To make it look shiny when you take it off for a little while. Pain in the butt, really, to get off. But I'm sure it's there to protect the plastic so it don't get scratched in shipping. But again, What a nightmare trying to get it off from underneath all these screws on these panels. Anyway, and each panel has a covering. Alright, let's disconnect these squat proof holders. So it can stand up in its rightful position. Four link in the back. Pretty strong plastic if you ask me. Got a independent front suspension. Shocks feel kind of crappy in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. Comes with a 7.4 milliamp or 7.4 volt 150 milliamp battery. Doesn't say if it's LiPo. Well, it says lithium ion. Got a Dean's connector, which is nice. And the battery tray would hold a bigger battery. I do have some bigger batteries, 2S LiPos coming that are twice this charge, I think, or maybe not. I don't know, they'll be here in a couple days for a couple of other vehicles that look like they will fit in this tray. Body panels are plastic, which is fine with me because I have Lexan ones on my high dollar rock bouncer. Easy to replace if you mess them up. Simple to make. Got light housings, no lights in them, but you could put lights in them. It's got the places for it, which is kind of cool. If you wanted to put lights, even the front lights can have real light or LED lights if you got a light set. All you have to do is buy the lights. Comes with a driver, interior, as you can see in there. Driver, interior. Not a bad looking little buggy. I like the colors. Matches my Black Widow Spider or my Black Widow rock bouncer. Again, this is 1/12 scale. So, yeah, so kind of cool looking. I've seen other videos on it. This seems to be pretty good. Repairable. Steering feels pretty solid. Tires feel pretty grippy. I don't think there's any foams in them. Well, there might be, I don't know. Hard to tell. But not bad looking car. Ought to be interesting. Lightweight. Let me go get some batteries for the receiver. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, got some batteries in the transmitter. Sure, the battery's not charged up all the way, but it works. Steering's a little jumpy. sure we can change the servo. It's a little jumpy. Okay, that is the Desert Eagle 3. Got the number 3 on it. Victorious Racing. Not a bad looking little truck. Got a lot of, it's heavy. Not sure why. But it feels heavy. It's a lot of plastic. Actually, that feels like metal. Not sure though, just hard plastic, but it's darn heavy. I like it though. The Desert Eagle. .32 by 30 by 55 R96 RC model tires. All right. Thanks for watching. Next time you see this buggy, it will be on the test run. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.